Hey guys, what's up? It is me, Franny, and today I'm here with my dad.
Hello.
Yeah, so my previous video I introduced you guys to my parents. They're going to be moving in with me, and today's my last day in Jersey, so why not film one more video with my mom or my dad. My mom's at work, my dad's not, so I was like, you know what? Let's film a video.
Yeah, why not?
Why not, right?
That's fun.
Today's video, he is going to be doing my makeup. I have done this on my channel a lot, like a series of different people doing my makeup, mainly my old roommates, Key and Bobby, Corey and JC. I have a series of them doing my makeup, me doing their makeup. So you know what, I was like, why not have my dad try and do my makeup? He has no idea. Like, but don't you watch some of my beauty videos?
I've watched them.
So like you have an idea.
An idea, okay.
He has like an idea, but he honestly has no idea what is what. I'm definitely gonna have to tell him, like put this on my face with this. We're just gonna see how he puts it on, basically. You know, guys, we're really trying to compromise here. I'm like in my basement. I don't have any of my lighting. I'm literally using Bobby's camera. I don't have anything. You know, it's fine. We're gonna make it work. So we're just gonna get started. Why not? First, you're gonna just put on foundation on me.
Okay.
So I don't have my foundation with me because I just mainly use like concealer and stuff now, but I'm using my mom's foundation.
Never done this.
Oh man.
So I put this on here, or I put it on your face?
Whatever you want.
Okay, I put it on your face. Just a little bit like that?
Up to you.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
I have no clue what I'm doing.
Oh my god, this foundation smells so old. Mom probably has had it in there forever.
Again, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just going by some of the videos I've seen. Wow, it's pretty good actually.
It does?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Alright,
okay.
So now this side?
I guess, yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, wow. Alright.
Do you ever think you'd be doing this, Dad?
No. Not in a million years. I want to see Mommy doing this to you.
Oh.
Bitch.
My mom always wants to do my hair and makeup, and I'm like, no. Actually, I will let her for a video.
She would, I think she'd do a good job.
Yeah, no, my mom does like good makeup. She's not like bad at makeup.
Yeah, I think she'd do good. Better than me, I'm sure.
Okay. Good.
Cool.
Blend.
Nice. Like a pro. Alright, turn your head this way.
Oh gosh.
Good?
Oh my god, I'm a different color.
Yeah, it looks nice. Perfect.
He goes, it looks nice. Okay, so I have foundation done. Hopefully I don't break out because this is extremely old. We're gonna go in with concealer. I'm honestly leading him on because he will not know what to grab or what to do. Use the same thing and I conceal. Do you know what concealer does?
Is that the thing you put down here?
You can.
Like, put the little line?
Yeah, you
Is
can.
that how you do it?
To an extent, just go for it, whatever you want to do. Okay.
That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so it's like, just go like this.
Wait, so you've never done anyone's makeup before?
Never. Ever.
Honestly, you're not doing terrible. Like, the guys did way worse. Like, Bobby literally threw the makeup on my face, basically.
Really?
How do you expect me to apply it?
Hold on, let me...
What even happened? Oh, it's dripping.
I looked horrendous.
Good.
Okay, now this side.
Oh, I gotta do the other side, I forgot. That good? Long enough?
Also, well, you should put this under my eyes, too.
Under your eyes?
Yeah.
Like right here?
Yeah.
And then in here?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh. Oh, Lord.
Alright.
Okay.
Perfect. I am doing an awesome job.
I honestly really can't tell, but wow, look at my hand compared to my face. What's the next thing? I guess
The powder?
Yeah, good job.
Wow, look at that. Like this. Okay.
Really going for it.
Yeah. This is awesome.
This is awesome.
Okay, under here, up here. Okay. Cool. What do you think? Can you see?
Not really, I can't really tell that. Now you should maybe try contouring my face.
Contouring? Oh boy.
Here we go.
And that is...
You have to like sculpt my face, so you have to give me cheekbones.
I have to go down this way?
Yeah.
Like this? Okay.
Oh, there we go.
It smells like chocolate, kind of.
There's chocolate in it.
So it's like down this way, And here. And here. And here. Close your eyes. Is that right? Is that good? No? Yeah?
Probably not, but
Okay. Here.
like, do you think it looks good right now or no?
Yeah, I think it looks fine.
So like if I did my makeup like this, you'd be like, wow, this video looks so good.
See, I don't know about, you know,
If I did it,
going
out.
Like going out, then I don't know. But okay, cool, awesome.
All right, there we go. Now we're gonna go in with some blush.
It's like circular motion. I have no idea. Okay. Let me see. I don't know really what it does, but okay. Cool.
Got a hair in my mouth. Some highlight. Do you know what highlight does,
Nope.
Dad? It it gives you that little shimmer. So you're gonna, here, I'll hold this so you don't spill it
Okay.
anywhere. Put it on the apples of my cheeks.
Apples of your cheeks. Okay.
What do you, oh my
Like,
God.
right here?
Yeah. Yeah, right there.
Like that.
Yeah, do you see a difference?
Yeah, I feel like glitter or something.
Yeah, it's like
shiny.
shimmer.
Okay. Yeah, you're gonna have to wash this off later.
I'm showering right after this.
I'm all over the place. Cool. That's it.
Not yet, hold on, we're not done yet. We have a few more things to do.
Okay, great.
He's like, I'm over it, get me out of here. Okay, so we're gonna do eyebrows now.
Eyebrows. Okay.
This is also where
Just the eyebrows. Don't make the line or anything. Like, wow. Just eyebrows?
Yeah, just eyebrows.
Okay.
You're thinking eyeliner.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna do that after.
Oh, that's gonna be fun. Alright.
Still looks good?
Looks like a dude now with the dark eyebrows.
It's like, that's the best it's gonna get. Let's put in some eyeshadow. Why not, right?
Okay.
So this just goes on my eyelid,
Your eyelid.
right here.
Okay, which color?
Whatever color you want. You wanna do some purple?
There you go. Cool. Nice. Like it.
It's not where it's supposed to be.
No, probably not.
So now we're gonna do eyeliner, mascara, and then lips. So we're almost done.
Mascara.
So this is eyeliner.
Oh, that's where I have to put by your eyes?
Like you have to do the line.
Oh. Alright, let's see, we're right here. Like down here. Down below.
Right there.
Can you kill me? When you screw up, do you like have a rough time taking off the excess and stuff?
Yeah, but I mean, it's usually not terrible.
See, now I have to try to match what I did on the other side. So there's like a long line up here. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Wow.
Does it look bad?
I was doing so good up to now.
Alright. So now, mascara. Now this just goes on my eyelashes. He's just like,
See, the sad part is like I'm really trying. And it's like
you're not trying to be goofy.
yeah, trying.
Like he's actually trying to seriously do
I'm
this.
actually making an effort to make her look good, but it's like, I don't think so.
Ow. Ow. Okay, now last thing. Well, you can put this on. Put some lip gloss on me, on my lips.
This one?
Yeah.
This is gloss?
Oops.
Awesome.
Alright, Dad.
Fabulous.
How do you think I look?
Like you're ready for a circus.
For a circus? Oh my gosh. Hold on, I'm gonna
Not good.
Oh my gosh, Dad.
No, not good. Maybe a little too much with the
Honestly, the foundation isn't bad. And then like,
I kind of went a little overboard with this.
oh my god, the eyeliner. How did you do that? Guys, look at that. Do you see what he did?
It kind of matches, right?
What do you mean it kind of matches?
I mean, they're at the length.
Oh, like you matched them pretty
Yeah,
well?
I mean, like,
honestly,
I think
yeah,
it's just a little longer.
you somehow made them both look terribly good together. Like they match, but they're so bad. Wow, Dad.
Not bad, right? For the first time.
I mean,
Well,
not
need
like
practice.
the best. That was my dad doing my makeup. That was actually really interesting. I never thought in a million years my dad would be sitting here doing my makeup.
And I'm sure there'll be more.
Just like a few more times, like, yeah, do it again.
And as we go on, I'll get more goofier.
Alright guys, yeah, so that was basically it. Like I said, I wanted to just film another video with my dad before I take off to Jersey. He actually is moving to LA. He'll be in LA in what, in like 2 weeks? Roughly?
Hoping 2
He's
weeks.
driving across the country.
I'm driving.
With my dog and my bird.
Dog and a bird.
So you will be seeing him very soon again in my videos, hopefully.
We'll see.
Alright guys, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on other videos you'd like to see me film with my dad, because now he's here, he's ready to go filming. Put those push notifications on so when I upload, y'all know exactly what I do. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!
See ya. Bye-bye.